Well, it's a bit cooler than yesterday, a bit darker, overcast, so it's 10 to 8. Temperature right now is 9.1, same temperature overnight, and 11.9 during the day yesterday, and it's pouring with rain. Let's go and have a look at the rain gauge. Yeah, we've got a full one here. We'll call that 20 millimeters. Yep. Well, here we are on this miserable Tuesday, the 16th of December. Cows in the distance, misty, and pouring with rain. So not a nice day to be driving to work.